Okay, first of all, this is the weekly chart. Okay, in this weekly chart we had these weekly imbalance just right here. Just let me make it yellow. Okay, and now the question is why these weekly became an imbalance. Okay, why this one, why not this one? Because an imbalance is created by an impulse, but not all the impulses are an imbalance. Okay, so and in order to if you want an impulse to become an imbalance, then it must achieve something. It must break a trend line with a force, with a full ERC candle, or it must remove a opposing direction imbalance. Okay, in this case here, this order block here did not achieve anything. Okay, it did not remove this imbalance here. Okay, that's why this order block here is not valid one. Okay, is not an imbalance, but this one is an imbalance because if I draw a trend line, because just like that, you can see that here never cut a trend line through the body. Okay, just draw trend line like this low here, this low here. Okay, as you can see, this candle here and this candle here, these two candles broken the trend line with a force. Okay, so that means this order block here, they achieved something. Okay, so that's why I did not draw this and I draw this. Okay, I draw this here, order block. Okay guys, now that means when price came here, I was ready to sell. Okay, now let's go to 4-hour chart. Okay, let me just clean it first. Okay, so now what I am going to show you is, see here guys, now when price came into this weekly area, of course I am going to connect this peak, sorry, this belly and this belly. Okay, let me connect them just like that, and now can see that we have already, we already had an order block just right here. Okay, and how this one became a order block? Because it's broken the trend line with this ERC candle. Okay, so that means it achieved something, so you must place an order. Okay guys, okay, now let me just go forward. We didn't have any impulse here, these all are corrective moves, small moves. So now you can say why I cannot place an order in this imbalance here. This looks like an imbalance as well, but no, we are not gonna do that because that's in bad location. Okay, because market already fallen a lot, so we are not gonna trade this. Okay guys, but this is not an imbalance as well because it did not achieve anything. It did not remove any trend line, or it did not remove this opposing direction imbalance. Okay, so this is not a valid one. Okay guys, now let me go forward. Just let me clean it a little bit. Okay, done. And of course until here, when the price fallen so much, of course you should take your profit if you sell here. I normally take 3-4 hour, depends on my mood, but never less than 3 hour. Okay guys, now you can say this is an imbalance. No, this is not an imbalance. It did not achieve anything. Okay, these CP here, they did not achieve anything. It did not remove any opposing direction imbalance. For example, this move here, you might say, well, this is an imbalance. This is a strong move to the outside. No, this is not, because even though this impulse look like an imbalance, but this is not, because it did not of course, first of all, this is the weekly. We are selling from the weekly supply area, so we're gonna only look for sell. But if you ask me about only this move, then this move did not achieve anything. Okay, it did not remove these opposing direction imbalance. Okay, of course it did break the trend line, but it does not make this imbalance a valid imbalance. Okay guys, and also we are only looking for sell, so you must consider that. Now let's go forward, and now we have a new one here we can draw. Always remember, never cut the trend line through the bodies. Never do that. Okay, never do that just to make trend line better. Always do like this. Okay, so we have a new imbalance just right here. Okay, so let's say here in this imbalance we made 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour. Now we place another order here. Well guys, as you can see, this move here, this order block, the broken the trend line with a force, great force. Okay, so we're gonna place a trade here. Also here guys, this is not an imbalance either. Okay, this is not an imbalance. It did not achieve anything. Okay guys, it did not achieve anything. So let me go forward, and as you can see that this imbalance, if you place the stop loss here, your stop loss was hit, so you lost -1 hour here. Okay, now let me go forward. Well guys, we had another, we had this one and this one. Okay, so we connect these two belly. Okay, so we have very strong ERC candle to the downside, and we are just gonna draw this order block here. Now we're gonna place an order. See, we are in the trade. We just gonna take 3 or 4 hour. Let's say 4 hour. So we made already 4 hour. So guys, you made 4 hour here. You made 4 hour here. You lost 1 hour here. Okay, so you made a total of 7 hour. Okay guys, guys, you see, if I just remove everything, see here guys, you maybe wonder why some order blocks work, why only few order blocks work, why 90% order blocks doesn't work. Because of that, because always remember, many people we call it imbalance, many people call it order block. Okay guys, always remember, all the order blocks, or all the imbalance are created by an impulse, but all the impulse are not an order block. Okay, or an imbalance. Okay, for example here, this order block, this is order block, this is order block, this is order block, this is order block. Guys, market is just full of order block. Okay, so that's why you might wonder, today you will have the answer why 90% order block doesn't work. Okay guys, what I'm giving you here is just pure gold, guys. Okay, many people, you know, they make videos but they never give such kind of information. You know, whatever I'm giving you here is my hard work. You know, it comes from my hard work, last 8 years of hard work. 8 years it's been here. I started trading 2016, so yeah, eight and a half years. Okay, last 8.5 years of hard work I'm giving you here. Okay guys, so just practice what I'm teaching you here. Okay, and your trading will get better. Thank you.